Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 GMC Yukon Denali. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power folding heated mirrors with signals and puddle lamps, automatic running boards, roof rails, and much more. 20-inch ultra-bright machined aluminum wheels, all-season tires, rain-sensing wipers, auto high-beam HID headlamps, fog lights, and a strong 8-cylinder four-wheel drive with only 49,245 miles. The power liftgate, the tow package, large brake lights, a hidden wiper, a spacious cargo area with a power folding third row seat, and comfortable heated second row seats with a video screen and climate control. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled leather bucket seating, cruise, tri-zone auto climate, a push button start, a wireless charger, power adjusting pedals, a power heated leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.